So one thing that has really been bugging me for quite a while with Midget, not a problem most of the time, but there are no sun visors. And here in the UK we do get some sunshine sometimes. Today is not that day. Annoyingly, I've picked the one day that's cloudy to show you my sun visor kit. So I bought this from Moss. I'll put a link in the description box below. This was cheaper than the second-hand Midget sun visors on eBay. Don't ask me how that works. Let's pull the kit apart and see what we've got. Right, so it seems like a fairly simple kit. We've got obviously a left-hand sun visor, a right-hand sun visor. These two little rubber bungs, I think these go in the middle for the sun visor to pop in and out so you can move it across to the side. These brackets, which look like the main swivel points, and then a bunch of screws. No instructions, so this is going to be a little bit of a trial and error, but we'll figure it out and we'll get these sun visors fitted. So this is what they look like assembled. I say assembled, I haven't screwed that on yet. So that will go up in there like so, and there's a nut that goes on that end. On the other end we have this rubber bushing, and they literally just screw on there. So I need to do some measuring, some marking, some drilling. Hope and pray that I don't drill into my windscreen. Shouldn't do. There's a bit, I think the windscreen comes up to about there, so yeah, just something to be wary of. And hold that on there. Yeah, it should sit there quite nicely like that. You can see on this side, it's obviously got to clear the mirror, so you do want to come as far up this end as possible.